What is the solution set for this equation? We have four choices. This is an absolute value equation. See, it has an equal sign making an equation. All right. And it has absolute value signs here. And what do they mean? Okay. What does it mean to say the absolute value of something is 7? Well, what number could I put in here and get a true statement? If I put a 7 there, the absolute value of 7 is 7. That's true, isn't it? Or we could also have another number in here. What would it be? The absolute value of minus 7 is 7. Okay? All right? So, to break this down, either 2x minus 1 is this number, or 2x minus 1 must be this number. That's the only possibilities. Either 2x minus 1 is the 7, or 2x minus 1 is negative 7. And now we've taken it from an absolute value equation to two equations without the absolute value signs. See, we got rid of the little lines there. We got rid of the absolute value lines. And we did that by coming back here and finding out what the absolute value lines really mean. What do these symbols mean here? Okay? It's true if the absolute value 2x minus 1, the absolute value of that equals 7 if 2x minus 1 is 7, or 2x minus 1 is a negative 7. Okay? So now we're going to have two equations here, and we can solve each one of them. To solve this one, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. 7 plus 1 is 8. Bring down the 2x. 8. Okay? And then we're going to divide by the coefficient of the variable. The coefficient of the variable is the 2. So we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. And we're going to end up with x equals 4. So that solves this equation. To solve this equation, we're going to add 1. Bring down the 2x. Bring down the equals. Negative 7 plus 1 is a negative 6. Okay? This says if you owe $7 and you pay back $1, then you no longer owe $7 anymore because you paid back $1 of it. Okay? Since you don't owe 7 anymore because you paid back one of those dollars, now you owe $6. Okay? So now we have two terms here, separated by an equal sign. We're going to divide by the coefficient of the variable, this number right here, on both sides. We're going to get x is a minus 3. So we want the answer that has a 4 and a negative 3. So there's a 4, but that's not negative 3. There it is. That's a 4 and a negative 3. The answer we're going to pick is C.